ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਨਵੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਲਾਸ 10th ਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਫਸਟ ਪਾਰਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ। ਉਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੇਨ ਕੋਰਸ ਦੇ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਕਰੇ ਸੀ। ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਹਨ। ਉਹਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਲਿੰਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਿਪਸ਼ਨ ਬਾਕਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਚੈੱਕ ਆਊਟ ਕਰਨਾ। ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਪਲੀਮੈਂਟਰੀ ਰੀਡਰ ਦੇ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗੇ ਹਾਂ। सब तो पहला चैप्टर द डाइंग डिटेक्टिव है। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਮੈਂ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੀਅਸ ਈਅਰਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਹਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਸਾਲ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਹਨ। ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਪਹਿਲਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ, ਹੂ ਵਾਸ ਮਿਸਟਰ ਹਡਸਨ। ਮਿਸਟਰ ਹਡਸਨ कौन सी? वेयर डिड शी गो? वेयर डिड शी गो वटसन? वाई डिड शी गो वटसन हाउस? Mr. Watson was Sherlock Holmes' landlady. She went to the Watson house to tell him that his friend Sherlock Holmes was critically ill. She wanted Watson to come and save his friend's life. Is the question 2 है, where did Holmes get the illness from? Where did he get it? Holmes get the illness from the Chinese sailors. He got it when he was work on his case at the place near river, but as we know, it was all a made up story. The third question है, what was Holmes' condition when Watson saw him? Holmes' eye had the brightness of fever. There was a red flush on his cheek. His thin hands were twitching all the time. Fourth question है, why did Holmes not let Watson touch his things? What did Watson think about Holmes? Watson picked up a ivory box. Holmes knew it had a poisonous spring in it. Therefore, Holmes told him to put it down. He said that he hated to have his things touched. Watson thought that illness had affected Holmes' mind. Question 5 है, should Holmes have spoken so rudely to Watson? Why? Holmes' show of rudeness was the dramatic necessity. It was a necessity to make the Watson believe that Holmes was really critical, ill at the point of death. Question 6 है, who was Culverton Smith? Why did Holmes want him for treatment his disease? Culverton Smith was the resident of Sumarta and a tea planter. Holmes wanted him for treatment of his disease only to have him in the trap. Question 7 है, what did Holmes ask Watson to say to Mr. Smith? Holmes asked Watson to tell Mr. Smith how critically Holmes was ill and that he was at the point of death. Holmes wanted Watson to persuade Mr. Smith to come to Holmes' house. The next question है 8th. What did Watson not come back with Smith? Watson did not come with Smith because Holmes had asked to do so. Watson pretended that he had some other appointment. Question 9th है, why did Holmes ask Smith to turn up the gas? Holmes asked Smith to turn up the gas. It was in fact a signal for Inspector Morton to come in and arrest Smith. Question 10th है, who arrested Smith? What were the charges against him? Inspector Morton arrested Smith. The charges against Smith were the murder of Victor and attempted murder of Sherlock Holmes. ਆਪਾਂ 4th ਚੈਪਟਰ ਦੇ ਕਰ ਲਏ ਹਨ। ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ 5th ਚੈਪਟਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਵਧਦੇ ਹਨ। ਇਸ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਹਾਊ ਮਚ ਲੈਂਡ ਡਜ਼ ਅ ਮੈਨ ਨੀਡ। ਕੁਐਸਚਨ 1 ਹੈ, ਵਾਈ ਡਿਡ ਟੂ ਵੂਮਨ ਡਿਸਕਸ? ਵਟ ਡਿਡ ਟੂ ਵੂਮਨ ਡਿਸਕਸ? ਵੇਅਰ ਦੇ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਟੂ ਈਚ ਅਦਰ? the two women discuss about the life town life and village life. Both of them were sisters. The elder one spoke in praise of town life, the younger one praised the country life. Second question है, what did one woman say in defense of rural life? What was the counter argument? She said that rural life could be rough, but it was free from anxiety. Villagers might never grow rich, but they always had enough to eat. But the other women boosted of the town life. Third question है, on what conditions did the chief agree to sell land to Phakom? For 1000 rubles, Pakhon could have as much land as he could walk round in a day. But there was one condition: he had come back to the starting point before sunset. Question fourth है, when did devil heard Pakhom's musings, what did he decide? The devil decided to give Pakhom enough land, and by means of that land he decided to get Pakhoms into his power. Question fifth है, how did Pakhom manage to put together the money for buying the land? Pakhom sold his colt and one half of his bees. He hired out one of his son as a laborer and took his wages in advance. He also borrowed some monies from his brother-in-laws. Question 6 is, Pakhom meet a stranger one day. Who was his stranger? What information did he give to Pakhom? This stranger was a peasant. He told Pakhom that he had come from beyond the Volga. She said that the land there was very fertile. The race sown on it grew as high as a horse. Question 7 है, the trader told Pakhom something about the land of Boxers. What was it? He told Pakhom that the Boxers had plenty of land. It was never a river. It was near a river, was very fertile. They sold it at low price, 13,000 acres for only 1,000 rubles. Is the next question है, who were the Boxers? How did Pakhom make friends with them? Boxers was very simple people. They lived in tents. They had plenty of land. Pakhom made friends with them by giving various gifts. Question 9 is, Boxers wanted to repay Pakhom for his gifts. What did Pakhom want from them? Pakhom wanted from them their land. It was for the purpose only that he had come there. Is the 10th question है, what is the moral of story? Man's physical needs on the earth are not many. Yes, he keeps hungry for them all of his life. He never feels satisfied till he meets his end. दोस्तों, इसका एक और मोरल तुम शॉर्ट विच लिख सकते हो कि ग्रीड इज कर्स. इसका चैप्टर 6 है रिटर्न टू एयर. Question first is, why was the boy called Sausage? The boy was quite fat and plump. That was why he was called a sausage. Question 2 is, why did the boy not like diving? The boy had weak eyesight. He could not see properly without his glasses. He had to take off his glasses for diving. Therefore, he did not like diving. Question 3 है, what is duck diving? How is taught? Duck diving means diving into the water in the manner of duck. A brick is thrown into the water. The learner is asked to bring it out. In this way, duck diving is taught. Question 5 है, what happened to Sausage when he tried duck diving the first time? Sausage had to remove his glasses for diving. He could not see properly inside the water. Instead of his brick, he brought out a old tin box from the bottom. Question 5 is, why couldn't Sausage see inside the water? Sausage had weak eyesight and had to wear. दोस्तों, ये क्वेश्चन अपन कर लिया है. इधर 6th क्वेश्चन है, why did water change its color? How did it change its color? The water changed color because the intensity of sunlight decreases gradually underwater. The water changes the color from thick green to brown lemonade and then to blackish brown. Question 7th is, where did sausage reach while swimming? Its answer is, while swimming he reached the other end of the pond. What did sausage do with the tin box? He took the tin box to his home. He placed it on the mantelpiece. He put his coin collection in it. He wanted to keep it as long as he lived.